just got here at Rhino's headquarters, the brand new Wave Armor building, which is one of the brands that they've got. They've got Beaver Tail, of course, Otter Outdoors, which this video is about. I'm gonna walk you quickly through. This thing is awesome. It was built like a month ago. We're gonna walk quickly through the front doors here, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna check out the brand new 2026, 2027 ice fishing gear that they're releasing this year. So let's jump in. Right off of 94, Wave Armor. If you're a open water guy, you may have heard of this before. This is new to me, but check this place out. It smells new, but look at it. Floating docks, true luxury. Look at that. Nice. Pretty sweet spot. They don't have a bunch of Otter stuff here, but hopefully in the near future, they're gonna be continuing to expand. So let's go check out the Otter stuff.
Todd Eccles here with Otter Outdoors. 2026 is a big year for Otter. We're celebrating 30 years of innovation in the ice fishing category. And to help celebrate, we have designed a new 30th anniversary edition of our Otter Vortex Pro Resort Hub House. You can see this design sports a blackout livery with a lot of reflective detailing. So all of the striping and all of the graphics on this house are reflective, highly visible at night. Let's step on in and see some of the unique characteristics of this house on the inside. So inside, you're gonna notice that this is very similar to the Otter Vortex Pro hubs that you're used to. Some unique elements that were added to this house are new light and wire management system here. So gone are the old clips that clipped onto the poles on the ceiling here to mount the lights. We've gone with a mesh light holder here, and this is included for a couple of reasons. It holds the light strips very securely. You can tuck the wires in, kind of get them out of the way. It slightly diffuses the light a little bit, and you get kind of a nice glow. We played with the positioning of these things a little bit during our R&D process to get them positioned just right. And you'll notice when you're on the lake or in camp that the angle of these lights shines down and creates a really nice glow inside this house that isn't harsh, isn't direct. They're placed very, very well. And they're very secure. So the lights are just fine to stay in here when this house gets collapsed and packed up for the weekend. They're fine to stay right where they're at.
This is great. Yeah, this is one of my favorite features of the inside of it here is there's so many different lighting systems that struggle with where do you put them. The ability to put these in here, have them shine in the right spot, not be in the way, and collapse down inside of the shelter are awesome. And it doesn't come with the lights, right? The lights are an accessory. If you already have them, you can use the ones you already have, or you can purchase one of the couple of kits you got.
Correct. So the LED lights are sold separately. Otter sells them in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. The lights that we introduced last year are completely compatible with the new lithium batteries, higher voltage lithium batteries. So no worries about running them on the new lithium batteries. They work very well. It seems like a simple addition, but really getting these sized and positioned correctly was a bit of a project for sure. You'll also notice down here that we've got the addition of some ports to run a diesel heater or portable AC unit or anything like that, while maintaining the pass-through for a propane hose. This is the resort house, so it's got the pass-through for the propane hose on 2 sides. And then we also have the second door.
Triangle door, D-door, whatever you want to call it.
Triangle door, D-door, on the back of this house. So this is a limited edition to celebrate our 30th anniversary. Includes some design elements that you may or may not see in some future Otter products, available as an exclusive buy. So once they're gone, they're gone. Want to introduce the Otter Rainfly. The Otter Rainfly was developed over the last couple of years due to the popularity of not only ice camping, but just base camping in general with Otter hubs. More and more of our customers were commenting, telling us stories about using their Otter hubs for hunt camp, for family camp, all sorts of different purposes outside of ice fishing. And a Rainfly was the obvious next best accessory to add. As you can see here is a completely seam sealed cover for your ice fishing hub. Directs water out away from windows, prevents water from coming into any of the sewn seams that every hub house has on the market. Directs water away from the door. Also acts as another insulation layer. Available for the Otter Lodge, Otter Vortex Pro Resort, and the Otter Vortex Pro Monster Lodge.
Perfect. So the rainfly can go on after you put the house up, right? So every time you're putting it up, if you decide, hey, I want a rainfly today, you're gonna go ahead and throw that on there.
Yeah, good question, Alex. So yeah, the rainfly is a completely separate piece. Very lightweight, packs down into a really small bag, and it's very easy, just slides over the top of the hub. One person can do it, 2 people, even better. The rainfly itself, only a couple of pounds, so very portable, very packable, and very quick to put on. Utilizes all of the anchors that you already use to tie down your hub house, whether it be on the ice or on the ground. So you can see here we're set up in an indoor facility, so we don't have anchors in the ground now, but it's going to utilize the same anchors that your wind straps utilize for when you're set up on the ice, that kind of thing. Door straps, again, hold out the rain deflector for the door. It looks like a simple piece, but this was a couple of years in design in, getting the water to flow where we wanted it to flow, that kind of thing. And also not covering all the windows, so you still get some ambient light coming into the shelter, that kind of thing, when you have the rainfly on.
Yeah, because this will be taut, and then you get some coverage for the window, so that way rain, sleet, melting snow, or if you're actually camping in it, not even during the winter, you get some shade as well. So yeah, but you get that ambient light from underneath. That makes sense. So it doesn't attach to the hub house.
It's a completely independent piece.
It goes over it and then ties down. I like what you had said, because that was one of the initial things that I was thinking about is how, am I gonna have to do twice as many anchors? Because obviously you're gonna anchor out each of your hubs. You're gonna put your ice lock anchors potentially down to keep your skirt down. And the answer is no. Almost all of these strap points can go to, you're gonna have that hub come out and anchor to the ground. You're gonna anchor your fly to it as well. So it's just hooking it on there, which makes a ton of sense.
Yeah, so all of the wind strap anchors are gonna utilize the same tie down point. And with these other straps, you can either tie down, like you said, Alex, to where the ice lock anchor is gonna be, or if you want some additional ambient light coming in, just put one separate anchor to come out here and pull that rainfly out just a little bit. Again, you get a little bit better water flow when you've got it out here.
Does it come with any anchors in the bag with it?
It does not come with any anchors with it. All of our hubs come with some extra anchors already, and it's designed to utilize all of the anchors that you already have.
Okay, so use the existing ones, cool. And if you want to, you can always buy more.
Absolutely.
Because you have the accessory packs of the extras. Yep. Cool. Awesome. And you had said, which hub houses do you have this sized for?
So the Vortex Pro Lodge, the Vortex Pro Resort, and the Vortex Pro Monster Lodge. They pack down real nice and small, so it's not something that's going to take up a bunch of room. The bag that the rainfly folds into is approximately 14 by 4 inches. So it packs down really small. Kind of fold it up as best you can and put it in the bag. And
breathable, so you can kind of throw this in whatever you're hauling your hub house around in. And then if you decide, hey, we need a rainfly today, pop it out, pop it on.
Easily the most requested accessory following the hottest item in the 2025 ice season is the Sonar, an auger rack for the Sonar sled. So this is something that Otter developed to bolt directly onto the Sonar sled, utilizing the 1/4-20 inserts that are already on everybody's Sonar sled. So the auger rack, laser cut aluminum, anodized with straps that are designed to withstand the temperatures that ice fishermen experience. Very simple in design, very effective. Package, very small. All of our dealers will have these available this winter in good supply. And again, far and away the most requested accessory, Sonar sled accessory from last year. And we're happy to have it available this year.
So I see that you've got a 1/4-20 bolt, if you will, here, and then you've got a thumb screw. Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, so the thumb screw is there to allow the user to loosen that and then flip that forward for throwing it in the back of your pickup, throwing it in an Otter sled, any of that kind of thing, for portability reasons. These are laser cut aluminum. We chose to go aluminum with these for durability concerns, and we think they're going to hold up for the long term.
Yeah, and I think you were saying even when you put an auger on here, the balance of the system is actually really nice, where it's not weighing down the back so much that it's kind of tipping back even when empty.
That's right. You can put an auger on the rack with the Sonar sled completely empty and it will lay flat just like it is.
That's great. Perfect. Thank you so much.